What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video, and you guys are excited about this one in particular because you've been waiting a very long time for another update on Hellshire View. Alright, so the good news now is that the application process has begun. Alright, so in this video I'm going to give you guys a quick little view of how the application is set up, as well as we'll let you know the documents that are needed in order for you to complete your applications. Alright, so remember that selling right now are the 2-bed 1-bathroom units that are starting at the price point of $17.2 million. Alright, so if we should jump over to the HAJ page and give you guys a bit more information, the starting price, like I said, for Hellshire Manor, which is now being sold, is $17,200,000. Alright, and the unit size for that is 780 square feet. The lot size is not yet announced, as well as whether or not you'll be able to expand on the unit. That has not yet been announced as well. Alright, so if you guys are new to the channel and you want more updates like this, please go right ahead, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. That's once we post a video, you will be notified. So thank you guys so much again for taking on this journey. And just before I get into the application process, I would like to give a huge shout out to Jamrock Robbie. Alright, I want you guys to go over to his channel, check it out. He'll show you how to install solar for your homes. And guys, I have to big up this guy because he's always in our Instagram giving us information wherever you can get it from. Alright, so big up to Jamrock Robbie and go and check him out. So guys, as you would have known, the land has already been leveled. There's currently no open house for Hellshire View. However, in terms of the application process, when I made contact with the Housing Agency of Jamaica, what they say is that you just go onto the site, put in your application, and once you have been selected, then you will be contacted to make your deposit. So no money will be collected if you are not selected from the list of persons who will be applying for these units. But just a point to note, as I say, I'll be going through the application process with you. I'm going to tell you guys right now the documents that you will need to complete this application form. So let me just walk you through the step and we'll see where we get from there. Alright, so when you head over to the website for HAJ, you will just go on and find Hellshire View tab, and you will see where you will have the flyer. They tell you where it's located. You can go ahead, if you have not done so before, and check out the description. Alright, as well as you have a contact number there, and then they give you a detailed breakdown of what's happening. Alright guys, so we're just going to jump right into the tab that says apply now, and it gives you a bit of information at the top here. So what you guys need, and we'll jump right into it, are the documents that are required to apply for a lot or a house. So first, you'll need your eligibility letter from the National Housing Trust, or if you're going through another financial institution, then you'll go right ahead to get your pre-approved letter. You also need your TRN, a valid form of identification, whether it be your passport, your driver's license, or your voter's ID, as well as your birth certificate. And a marriage certificate is required only for married female applicants. Alright, So we'll just scroll through the application form here, and where it's asking you what is it that you're applying for. As you can see, Hellshire view is already selected. You'll go ahead and you select the parish, which is in St. Catherine, as well as they'll ask you the type of housing solution. Currently, they're only offering the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. So you'll go right ahead and do that. I see where they're asking you to choose up to 3 lots that you would prefer to get. Alright, so you can just go right ahead, put that in and separate each by a comma. And then you can just continue. They're all detached units as advertised. And then they're just asking you how you heard about the development. You can go right ahead and select something from this drop down right here. Alright, so as we go through the process, as we say, you need to have your TRN on hand, as their number is required to start the process. You go through the regular name, address, telephone number, etc. And you put in your email address, your gender, your marital status. You know the usual stuff that they'd ask for when you're completing an application. Alright, they're also asking for your number of dependents, your occupation. So you go ahead and you'll fill in your employer detail, the name and the address, their contact details as well. And then further down on the list, they'll ask you the currency that you're earning, how much you're earning per month, and how much is it that you are taking home. Alright guys, so these information, they're very important, as they will be a part of what will determine if you will make it to the persons qualified in order to purchase these units. Alright, so further down it asks, how do you plan to finance your purchase? You can go ahead and choose whether it's cash, seek a loan, part cash, part loan, or you're doing joint applicant. Alright, and then you have the financial institution that you're getting the money from. And then you can just read through this part of the application, because they need to know exactly how you plan to fund this purchase, as well as they would like to know the amount of persons who plan to occupy the space. Because if you have a household of 10, then this would not be a unit for you. Alright, and guys, also remember to put accurate information on the form, as you will need to prove that the information provided is 100% correct. Alright, so don't go ahead and just put random stuff on the sheet. Put the correct information. Alright, and then as you can scroll all the way down, we go right ahead back to the required documents. So these documents, you need to have them on hand before doing your application, because you cannot submit the application without them. So for the eligibility letter from the NHT, or your pre-approved letter from a bank or a credit union, whichever financial institution that you'll be getting your money from, you'll need to upload a copy right here, as well as you need to upload your ID. You also need to upload your TRN and your birth certificate. Alright, so remember to have these documents ready before you can complete your application. Or if you start the process and realize that you don't have these, you can always save your application and come back at another time to complete it. Alright, so you guys just need to go on, check out the application. Remember to tell your friends about what is happening on the HAJ page, what's happening with the development. You can send them over to the channel, let them subscribe so that they will be notified whenever we post another video giving updates, and even on other properties. And guys, the wait is over for the first phase of the process. So just go right ahead, send in your applications, get your documents ready if you are not yet prepared. If you are not on this wave, still have your documents ready for the second phase or the third phase of this project, as there's plenty more to come. So thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch this video. Thanks for stopping by again. Remember to share the content with others. Remember to subscribe. Remember to like. Leave your comments down below. If there's something that you need clarity on, you can always go ahead, contact the Housing Agency of Jamaica, or you can contact Right Solutions, alright, and they will be able to answer all your questions. And if you need clarity on something that I've said in this video where I can assist, go right ahead and leave it down in the comment section below. So thank you guys so much again for stopping by and for watching this video. And until next time, take care from ChriSamz. Alright?